Listen, I couldn't wait to go to college. I couldn't wait to live on my own. And then 3 months in, when I told everyone wouldn't happen, happened. I got homesick. All of a sudden, I just needed my parents, the smell of arepas, and I didn't want to share a bathroom anymore. So coping began the moment I ordered an arepa maker. Since kindergarten, my mommy would send me off to school with an arepa and then greet me after school with an arepa. So let me tell you, this arepa maker made all the difference. It even makes pancakes. And don't forget to stock up on your harina pan. This purchase led to a few more retail therapies, some would call it, but I like to think of it as investigative journalism because I'm about to put you on what you actually need in your dorm. A speaker. The amount of people I put onto Karol G because of this speaker, a lot. It would go everywhere with me. Pre-games, communal bathrooms, my walks to class. I would even play my cumbia and salsa playlist on Sunday mornings as I would clean my side of the dorm, just like my mom would do every weekend at home. My parents would constantly be checking in. And then one day, my mom called me out on my wrinkled clothes. It was definitely a humbling experience. That's when a steamer became an absolute need. Something about my mom is she taught me the importance of keeping up with my skin and hair care. I love this Rizos Curl Starter Kit and Cicatri Cure Gold Kit to keep it effective but simple. She also taught me the importance of getting ready for my day and feeling confident about myself. So a get ready station became my favorite part of my dorm. It was like a room within my half of the room with a mirror with good lighting, a makeup headband, heatless curling set, thermal rollers, and don't forget, under eye gel pads. Room decor that reflects your true self is a must. For me, this is hanging fairy string lights, which actually made it so fun when my friends came in and I would give them my favorite Colombian lollipops, Boom Boom Boom. These were the little things that I didn't think about when leaving home, but they definitely made my dorm feel more like a casita as soon as they arrived with free fast delivery thanks to my Prime membership. And just like my mommy says, bueno, bonito y barato.